Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Shoe Games. Your boy Uncle Strip here. I'm excited for this one. I've been waiting for this shoe for not long, like 2 weeks, but we got another mid game. And basically, I don't know what's going on up at Jordan headquarters, but whoever's in charge of designing the mids is going crazy this year. So we got a Jordan 1, and then the mids, they're coming in these new boxes. Or this is a special, it was Jordan 1 mid special edition, the ice blue. I think online they're also called like white ice or cool ice, something like that. But the official name that I saw was ice blue. They're coming in the special editions. I think these are new boxes. I'm not 100% sure, but they're coming in these. Because I know normally it's just the Jumpman logo in the middle of the box. But open these bad boys up. So these came out March 1st, so about 11 days ago. It's March 11th. And a size, they're retail, special edition mids, retail $135. They're going for about $150 right now, so not crazy over retail price. Oh, they smell fantastic. But they come unlaced. Most mid, for those that don't know, most mids don't come unlaced. Most mids come laced. If you've seen in previous videos, all the mid shoes they had laced up. That's how they come. They come laced. This obviously, you see, I obviously haven't worn them yet, but they came unlaced. They are special edition, and so color wise, I feel like we're selling these shoes like crazy because I think it's that UNC colorway. It's UNC blue with that white, and you got the like the white bottom. And this material here is actually it's a nubuck. So I don't know if you can tell, but it's a soft material right here. It's really soft. And then obviously laces inside, we got the blue interior with the blue laces right here. So when I saw these, I knew for sure that they're gonna do well in sales, and just because that UNC blue. So it's almost, it's like a UNC mid. For my mid warriors out there. So all I'm gonna do real quick, that covered everything. We're just gonna throw them on the feet, lace them up, throw them on the feet, and to show you guys the on feet look. All right, we have to get some shoes and some natural lighting. But that's the shoes on feet. I think these also look good with some white socks. But yeah, I like them. I'm really digging them. I know some people were saying that they don't like the black, the contrast they're having with the black right here. But I get what they're saying. I would be interested to see if they just had it as white and blue only and didn't contrast with any black. But I like them, and I like how the Air Jordan is popping out, and you got the lining right here on the tongue. But I like them. Let me know what you guys think. If you're gonna cop them, if you're gonna drop them, if you have to pass. If you pass, what you got instead. But let me know what you guys think, and we'll catch you guys next time.